Welcome back, my beautiful people. It's been so long since I seen you guys and you guys seen me. Oh my god. But I am super excited and happy to be back. I know I've been gone for a couple of months, even a year, but it's okay. Shit happens, life happens, but I'm glad to be back. So the video I have for you guys today is about lashes, how to apply them, how to customize them, basically my tips and tricks about how to apply your lashes. I know everyone has their different way of putting them on, so it's okay. If I forgot a step, I'm sorry. Like, it happens. Like, sometimes I'm in a rush and I do my lashes, you know, and I forgot things. So yes, I hope you guys enjoy this video. As you can see, I have a less dramatic lash here and a bow dramatic lash here. So I'll teach you how to put on both lashes and my preferences. So I hope you guys enjoy, and let's get this video started. So I have two lashes here that I am gonna use because one eye is gonna be a more everyday eyelash and the other eye will be more of a dramatic lash, like if you're going out. Even though if it's your personal preference to wear dramatic lashes every day, go ahead, do you, boo-boo. That's your preference. But for me, I rather tone it down a little bit when I'm going to work, or if I'm going somewhere where I can't be like shabam. But usually when I go out, that I'm going to a party or I'm going to an event, I do wear dramatic lashes. But on an everyday basis, I don't like to be so dramatic. I like the focus to be on my face and not my eyes, because I want people to look at my face and see that my skin looks fucking amazing. So I try to restrain from people looking at my face on an everyday basis. So I'm going to be using the Kyra Lashes in D Wispies for a more natural look on this eye. And on my other eye, I'm going to be using these lashes by Go Cosmetics in the style Meezy. These are Mink Lashes. Look how beautiful they are. You can wear them about 30 times. So this is a new brand that just came out with lashes, and now they have a highlighting palette and also glitters. So go check them out, and I have a little surprise at the end of this video, so stay tuned to the end so you can see what the surprise is. So yes, these are the Meezy lashes. So I'm gonna be using these on my other eye for a more dramatic look. So when these lashes are already customized, I already had cut them. I should have never did that, but I had wore them already, so they're customized to my eyes. But these lashes are not. So we're gonna start off with this eye first. Okay, so when you're looking at lashes this way, okay, you don't know from the top of just looking at them, you don't know. If you're a beginner, you don't know which one goes on this side, on the left eye, and which one goes on the, this is my right eye, left eye. So you don't know what goes on the right eye, and you don't know what goes on the left eye. So since these are wispies, wispy lashes usually flare up. So they'll start small and then go up. So how I know this one goes on my right eye is because this portion right here where it starts is more, how can I say it? It's shorter and then it goes longer. So I know this goes on my right eye and this goes on my left eye. So we're gonna work on my right eye with these lashes. And on my left side, when you have lashes like these, you wanna put them right in front of your face, and you'll know this one goes on the right and this one goes on the left. So that's a trick that you'll know, so you know what lashes go where, okay? So I'm gonna take the lashes off, and when I take the lashes off, I hold them up and then I like bend it a little bit and then pull the lash gently out. I don't never use a tweezer because sometimes, and I've done this before, like I'll take a tweezer and try to take it off and I end up ripping the lash, and I don't want that. So I learned that the easiest way is just bending it and pulling it out. So now that I took the eyelash out, I'm going to take some tweezers. You can use whatever tweezers you have. You can use the slanted ones. You can use the pointy ones. I really like the pointy tweezers, even though when I first started putting on lashes, I was fucking poking my eyes out. Well, not poking my eyes. I was poking my eyes, not poking them out. But I was poking my eyes because I wasn't used to it. So just be careful if you use pointed lashes for a beginner. Okay, so now that I zoomed in, I'm gonna take this lash and I'm gonna place it on my lid. You hear this shit? I'm gonna place it on my lash line. And I'm just I'm just measuring it to see if I need to cut it, or if it's long enough, or if it's gonna fit my eye perfectly. So by looking at it, I see that it's gonna fit my eye perfectly, so I don't need to cut it. I don't need to do anything to it, okay? So the thicker the lash band, the harder it is to put on. Let me not say harder, the more difficult it is to apply the lash. So since this is a really thin lash band, you'll see that I probably won't have that much difficulty applying it on. So yes, the thicker the lash band you get, the more difficult it is to apply. So make sure that if you're a beginner, try using lashes that have a thin band so you won't have such a hard time putting them on. And then as you get better, then you could get thicker bands and then you'll just be a pro at it. But so yes, this is a thin band. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna coat my lashes with mascara. This is just my preference. I know a lot of people do it after they put the lashes on, but I do a light coat of mascara, making sure that I get it on each lash. And then I take my favorite lash glue, which is the House of Lashes. This is the mini size because I ran out of the full size and I still have minis in my house. So I take the lash glue and I put it all over the band, especially on the corners, because the corners is what tends to always lift up throughout the day. So I make sure that I put enough lash glue on it and I wait about 30 seconds. If you're a freelance makeup artist, do not blow on your client's eyelashes, but since these are mine, I can blow on it. So how I know that the lash glue it's good to put on, because it starts turning color. It looks kind of greenish bluish now. My camera's not focusing, but you see the little reflex. So now I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna look down. You'll see me kind of looking up, but I'm actually looking down into the mirror, and I'm gonna place it right in the center. And I'm just gonna leave it there. And then what I do is, since I put it already in the center, now I'm gonna try to make sure that it's in the center, and then I'm gonna start doing the outer corners. So I'm gonna push this in here, right? And then I'm gonna go to this corner and I'm gonna push it in here. And then I'm just gonna fix it in between, and I'm gonna press it to mesh in with my natural lashes. And the lash glue would it's still wet, but once it dries, it would dry clear, and then you're set to go. And if you're wondering how much these lashes are, these lashes are $1, and I bought them in Shop Miss A for $1. So these are, again, the Cara D Wispy lashes. And I just keep pressing it so it can blend in with my natural lashes. So that's why I put mascara on first, because when I press it on to my natural lashes, when I'm blending them in, it actually adheres to something as well, not just the glue. So me pressing them on, and since the mascara is still a little bit wet, I'm able to mix them in together so they stay put, if that makes any sense. And that's how I put my lashes on. So that's how the natural lash looks. So you see the difference. No lash, lash. No lash, lash. Now to do the other side, we're going to use the Go Cosmetics Measy Lashes. And we're going to pop this out of the packaging. And then since we're doing the left eye, we're going to take the lash that goes on the left side. So the same thing, we're going to take it out. I have already used these lashes. Sorry. I already used these lashes, so there's some glue on it. So before I add more glue, I'm just going to try to clean them off a little bit and take off some of the glue that was already on the lash. So if you're using your lashes more than once, 2 times, 3 times, however, you want to make sure that you take off the glue that was on it previously from your last time that you used it. Okay, so like I said, this lash is already fit to my eye, but just so you can see, this band is a little bit thicker, but it's still on the thin side. I've seen bands thicker than this, and I'm just gonna make sure that it fits my eye. So it does fit. Once again, it fell. So same thing that I did on this eye, we're gonna apply some mascara. Okay, that's enough coat. And we're gonna take my favorite lash glue again, and we're gonna put it all over the lash band. Make sure you get into those corners. Like I said, the corners are usually what lifts first during the day. And then we're gonna wait till it's dry, blow on it if these are your own lashes, and just wait. So now that our glue is sort of tacky, we're gonna do the same thing that we did on the previous eye. We're just gonna place it in the middle. And with this one, I might have a little bit of difficulty applying it because, like I said, the band is a little bit thicker. So we're gonna do the outer corners. Can you guys see? You see the difference between, I say, dramatic and not dramatic. Dramatic and soft between the two lashes. So this one The glue is still drying. Which one do you prefer? Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. But it's your preference once again. If you want to wear this every day to go to work, do you, boo-boo. But if you prefer this, you can do it as well. So those are my tips and tricks about how to apply lashes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As you can see, this is more of a dramatic lash and this is more of a natural lash. If you are a natural kind of girl, go ahead, wear this. If you are a dramatic type of girl, wear this. It's all about your preference. Make sure that when applying your lashes, you're sizing them, making sure that they're comfortable, that they don't hurt, that they're not poking you, that you are able to see. Because girl, when I first started wearing lashes and I'm like, yes, I need some thick lashes, I need to look pow, I felt like I had fucking umbrellas. And it was so uncomfortable. My lashes felt heavy and I did not like it one bit. So when I started doing my research on all types of lashes, and everyone has their own preference of lashes. That's why I say whatever you're comfortable with, whatever you feel like wearing, go ahead, do it. Lashes and makeup is all about having fun. And as you can see, I had a simple eye look, and just by adding lashes, it gives it like a fucking pop, and it's like, bam, bitch, look at my eyes. So you can do the same. Practice putting on lashes. They will come out not perfect the first couple of times, but you have to keep trying. Don't give up. Take time. Like I said, that website, Shop Miss A, you can buy lashes for $1. The only thing is that you have to spend $35 in order to get free shipping. But if you want to practice, go ahead, buy 35 lashes and you have 35 lashes for the whole month, where you can keep trying and practice, and they're only $1 instead of spending a lot of money on Mink Lashes, which are a little bit more expensive, and if you mess them up, you're gonna be upset because you spend money on them. So yes, and if you want to try a pair of Mink Lashes, there are a lot of different Mink Lashes out there, but I do prefer for you guys to try Go Cosmetics Mink Lashes. She's always throwing out a coupon code where you can get 10%, 15% off, so definitely check her out. And also, as a surprise to you all, and for me coming back, I will be giving away 2 lashes of Go Cosmetics. All you have to do is subscribe to my channel, follow me on my social media, which is Instagram, and my I'll leave the link down below, and it will flash up on the screen somewhere around here. And also write down in the comments below, what is your most favorite thing about being a mother? I'm a mom, I have 2 children, and I love them to death. And what I love doing with them is just spending time with them, giving them my undivided attention, being with them, giving them the love that they need. They are so cool, they're so down to earth, and I love my children. So leave down a comment down below, what is your favorite part about being a mom? And that will enter you into the giveaway. I keep saying but I'm like super excited to be back. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I love you guys so much. Thank you for still being here and watching this video, and it might be longer than expected, but hey, it happens. So I hope you guys enjoy, and I love you guys. Bye.